Have you ever wondered about the buzz around electric bikes? Today we're diving into e-bikes, exploring some of the top brands and models mentioned on Ebiyk.com. Taking the lead, we have Hitway. Known for its powerful and durable e-bikes, Hitway has firmly established itself as a frontrunner in the electric bike industry. Their models offer a perfect blend of power, comfort, and style, transforming your everyday commute into an adventure. Not far behind is F.lli Schiano, a brand renowned for their innovative designs and high-quality components. With an F.lli Schiano e-bike, you're not just buying a mode of transport, you're investing in a lifestyle. For those who crave versatility, Rymic's foldable e-bikes are a game-changer. Compact, convenient, and incredibly efficient, these bikes are perfect for city dwellers who are constantly moving. Eskute and Hovsco, meanwhile, offer e-bikes that are as stylish as they are functional. With their sleek designs and advanced features, these bikes are more than just a means of getting from point A to point B. They're a statement, but what about those who want to customize their ride? That's where brands like Voilamart and Bafang come in, offering a range of accessories, parts, and conversion kits. With these, you can tailor your e-bike to suit your needs and preferences. Of course, choosing an electric bike isn't just about the brand or model. It's also about understanding the laws surrounding e-bikes, which vary from place to place. It's about considering whether a foldable e-bike would suit your lifestyle, or if a traditional e-bike is faster for you. The e-bike revolution is here, and it's transforming the way we think about commuting. With brands like Akez, Swifty, Powerful, F.lli, T1 electric bike, Akez 26 e-bikes, Eleco e-bike, Vitesse's 60-mile e-bike, and Jemaya 29 leading the charge, the future of commuting is looking brighter and greener than ever. In summary, electric bikes offer a sustainable, efficient, and fun alternative to traditional modes of transport. Whether you're drawn to the power of Hitway, the innovation of F.lli Schiano, the versatility of Rymic, or the style of Eskute and Hovsco, there's an e-bike out there for everyone. With the wide range of accessories and conversion kits available from Voilamart and Bafang, you can make your e-bike uniquely yours. So, next time you're considering a new mode of transport, why not join the e-bike revolution? With the wealth of information available on Ebiyk.com, finding the perfect e-bike has never been easier. Happy riding. Please browse our store, follow the link below, or go to Ebiyk.com now.